And to talk about this cold and snow that we're expecting to see today.
And Aaron, we know some places have a travel advisory and travel bans in place, including the town of Evans and the village of Angola, a travel ban there. The majority of Erie County under a travel advisory, but the 219 is closed this morning between Peters Road and the 90. So what do we need to know if we're heading out this morning?
Unfortunately, you're going to be driving very slowly as you head out the door, especially if you're going south of Buffalo with that snow coming down. And like you mentioned, those travel advisories and bans and even the road closures that we have this morning. Your almanac page, your high today will hit 12 degrees, 20 degrees below normal. The record of 10 degrees below zero will be safe, but yeah, it's going to be cold here in western New York. Sun coming up at 7:39, setting today at 7:14. 7 degrees in Buffalo. In Jamestown, the air temperature is 3 degrees below zero. Now watch what happens when you factor in the winds. Wow, Jamestown feels like it's 22 degrees below zero. That is very, very cold. Obviously, dangerously cold across the southern tier. Feels like 5 below here in Buffalo. The wind chill forecast throughout the day keeps wind chill values below zero throughout your Tuesday. Tomorrow morning, it will feel even colder as wind chill values expected to be 20 to 30 degrees below zero across the southern tier. It'll feel like it's 10 below here in Buffalo, and it's going to stay frigid during the day on Wednesday. We do have the lake effect snow warnings in effect for northern Erie County and Genesee County through 4 a.m. on Wednesday, through 10 a.m. on Wednesday for southern Erie, Wyoming, Chautauqua, and Cattaraugus counties. We're going to have that cold weather advisory go into effect for Buffalo northward at 7 p.m. today, running through 11 a.m. on Wednesday, and it's in effect right now for areas south of Buffalo through 11 a.m. tomorrow. Want to show you the radar because we do have that snow coming down. That band is pretty intense. If you're in that band, especially these darker shades right here for places like Eden and Brant, snow rates about 1 to 2 inches per hour. The northern edge of the band up near 20A right now, but notice the last few frames that is starting to push a little bit further northward. That trend will continue. And then as we head south from Collins over towards Zoar Valley, Concord, along the 219, Boston getting that snow. Same thing with Hanover. And then we head over toward the Chautauqua Ridge with the snow continuing for places like Arkwright, Perrysburg, Gowanda, Dunkirk, Pomfret. You folks will see another foot plus of accumulation. But watch here as the winds are becoming more southwesterly, and that band will start to push northward as the morning moves along. So it kind of stays in place around 7 or 8 a.m. And then as we shift toward around 10, 11, that band getting back up toward Buffalo. In the metro area during the lunch hour and into early this afternoon, the band then shifts further southward later today, but we will have snow for the afternoon commute here in Buffalo. That band then settling further south tonight into early Wednesday, then shifting back northward late Wednesday morning and fizzling out. So the band is going to move around quite a bit, bringing about 2 to 5 inches of snow to places like Kenmore and Amherst over toward Pendleton, 4 to 8 here in Buffalo, 6 to 12 Depew and Lancaster. So some higher amounts to the east of Buffalo. Alden about 4 to 8, 8 to 12 in Marilla. The highest amounts anywhere from 10 to 18 inches of snow. Blaisdell, East Aurora, Wales, Hamburg, Orchard Park, Eden over toward Colden, Holland, another 10 to 16, about 5 to 10 in Springville, 6 to 12 in Collins, 12 to 18 for Stockton and Cassadaga, on top of what you already have. Here's your hourly forecast for today. Snow south of Buffalo at 8 a.m., 7 degrees, and then the snow moves into the metro area this afternoon with a high of just 12 degrees. So your forecast, snow south, moving northward. In the band, you'll get another 4 to 12 inches of snow. Your high today, 12. Tonight, that band will then shift south again with extreme cold across the area. The overnight low, 2 degrees below zero, but with the winds around 5 to 15 miles per hour, wind chills will be much, much colder. Your high near 15 on Wednesday with mostly cloudy skies. We're back in the 20s for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, near 30 on Sunday.